What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are doing a quick unboxing of the Aero Precision BREACH large charging handle for AR10 or the M5 Aero Precision build. So pretty short video here, but just want to show you if you're looking at picking one of these up, what all will come with it. So pretty standard packaging as far as the BREACH charging handle here. You can see all the information on the back. And then this does come in several different colors. I got the tan, or I guess FDE type version, as you can see here, but they also have it in black. So let's go ahead, we'll get this guy unboxed here, and then we'll get the packaging out. And you can see it's just the paper backing, nothing special here. Set that aside. And then here is the main part, which is our charging handle. So you can see right on the front, it says BREACH by Aero Precision. It has their patent number. We also have the Aero Precision logo up here. And then we do have the tan or FDE-ish color accent for our charging handle sides. And the other thing to note, this is an ambidextrous one. So you can see it works on this side as well as just on this side. Or if you do the double, that'll work too. But I like the ambidextrous feature, so that's why I picked this one up here too. And again, the other thing to note is this is the large version as seen here. So you can see these are a little bit longer of ears on the side. They do have a normal or small version as well, where these are just shorter. So I did want the larger one, easier to grab, rip real quick. So be aware. Make sure you pick out the right one as far as the small or the large one. Other than that, nothing special on this. It has a couple serrations right here. And then you can see the bottom is just pretty standard as well, has the hole up front. So kind of your standard AR15, or in this case AR10 308 charging handle, and should work just fine. If you are interested, I do have some other videos up as far as this M5 build. I'm going to be putting this on for an Aero Precision build. So go check those videos out. And if this was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. Always appreciate that. And let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. Until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.